everybody, Josh and Tommy back for another review at Watch Hill Proper. This week we are going to take a look at Bourbon de Luxe.
Bourbon de Luxe.
So this is 16-year-old Kentucky straight bourbon, cask strength, 126.1.
Love it.
It is definitely a old brand that they have revived. So, yeah, I'll let you take it from there.
Yeah, no.
The label talks a lot about it.
Yeah, I love the label. It's very vintage looking. Turner and Jordan have both been in here. I think I may have been in here when they were kind of coming up with a game plan for this. Turner has been making really good rum for a while, or they both have. And so they've dipped their toes into bringing this, reviving a very, Bourbon de Luxe, pretty iconic brand going back a couple hundred years probably. So, yeah, and if anybody can do it, I mean, Turner's last name was Wathen, and so that family has been around, paving the way for a lot of different companies, over the years, and he's an industry insider for sure. I don't see him very often. Every time I think that he's like 25 years old. I mean, he has that he's very youthful looking, and but he's very good at what he does, and so I'm anxious. I haven't had this. But putting their spin on this whiskey, so I'm very hopeful.
Yeah, well, and deserving. I mean, it's definitely a legendary brand
for sure.
We've had bottles in here from the 70s and 60s and whatnot,
and it does very well in here.
Yeah, of course. Well, yeah,
it does very well in here.
But I think it's even got a Prohibition kind of history to it, pre-Prohibition through medicinal whiskeys and things of that nature. So all that to say, the brand is deserving of a 16-year age statement.
For sure.
For its revival, like it needs to come back and be noticed.
This is
a good effort.
This has been with the, I think the Medley family, and then into the Medicinal Spirits Company, and into National Distillers, into the family of Beam brands. So it's got a long and very distinguished history. I like that they kept. We don't have one of the labels in here, but I think the label is very authentic, or very close to what the other ones. Maybe a few different colors, but I love it, man. I love the font that they've used on this, the old font. So, hey, I like it. Bourbon de Luxe, and it always says for connoisseurs on the little writing right there, which is always cool. Yeah. So, good for them.
And
man.
I love medleys. I've always liked medleys. That's one of my go-tos. They still make
medleys, and Wathen family have been.
Wathen's hard to find these days.
Yeah.
And I love it. I think it's just a fantastic.
I do too, man. And a lot of people sleep on that now. And I've been a fan for a long time.
Yeah, it comes in that little square bottle.
Yeah.
And man, if you can find it, and you can find it at a higher proof, like it's so good. Yeah. I just think it's amazing stuff. So.
I like the nose.
Man, it's a fruity day.
That's got a little cinnamony on it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of, not jam cake, but kind of cinnamon cake or something.
That's a good call.
Like that nose a lot.
I still get some fruits too.
Yeah, I do too. Good, kind of jammy at the end. Kind of get a jam thing going on.
The proof really came out for me.
It's coming out for me right now.
I don't know why it got hot. Like it got hot on me. So I'm gonna go after a second sip. let my mouth. Because usually, I mean, we're pretty warmed up right now, and 126 shouldn't.
It did on the finish. I didn't get any on the nose. The heat or front or mid, but it definitely let me know that it was there on the finish. Not so much a Kentucky hug, but just a little bit.
Well, and that's what it, to me, like if I'm a ding it already, it's going to be I didn't get a Kentucky hug.
I didn't get a.
The finish fell flat.
Yeah, I didn't get a Kentucky hug, but I did feel the mouthfeel certainly told me that there was some heat there.
That's right.
I
it's
would
all in the mouth.
Yeah,
and that's kind of weird.
Man, it's very contrasting from the start to the middle to the finish. The finish, you really get a lot of that proof, whereas you don't get it on the first probably 75% of this whiskey. I like it.
Well, the cinnamon you got on the nose, it's just like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like in there.
I do, and that might be that heat part that's coming through is
It's
that
the
cinnamon.
cinnamon.
Yeah.
Whatever that cinnamon note is, that's producing the heat to make it drink hotter than it really is.
Yeah.
Because at 126, it shouldn't. It's drinking, to me, it's drinking 10 points higher than that to me.
Oh, the finish, I would agree with you. On the front and mid palate, I don't think it's drinking. It doesn't seem like it's 126. It seems lower to me. The finish for sure. Not here. The mouthfeel.
Yeah, in the mouth.
I like it. I think it's good. I think it's well done. It's got a lot of different notes going on with it. I like it.
And I think it's cinnamon.
It's a cinnamon bomb for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Which is cool.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's
I
just
think
what it
Heaven
is.
Hill always has a cinnamon
I would have
note.
disguised it as alcohol, but it's not alcohol. It's cinnamon.
Yeah, it's cinnamon. And I get cinnamon a lot from Heaven Hill products. I don't think this is a Heaven Hill product, but I get that a lot.
Might have some in it.
It could. Yeah, it very could. I'm not exactly what the source is. I do think that, I mean, I could take a guess, but I'm not going to. But no, it's good. It's good.
It is good.
They've done a good job at reviving a very classy bourbon. They've done a really good job. I don't know that you could ever get authentic, the original Bourbon de Luxe at 126. Was it probably 90?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet it wasn't near this.
They didn't do that back then.
Nah, no. It's good. It's nothing to offend. I mean, to me, it's going to be mid to lower eights all the way across the board, but we can go through and itemize it if you'd like. I mean, I think for me,
I think the nose was the best part.
the nose is absolutely fantastic. It would probably be more 8.6-ish for me.
Yep.
And then 8.3, 8.4 for the...
I'd have probably been 8.2, 8.3.
Yeah,
So
I think a solid 8.3 or 8.4 for this is fair.
8.3.
8.3 is fantastic. Yeah.
It's a 16-year-old, like, we're being overly judgmental. It's a 16-year-old.
That's right.
Straight bourbon.
It's
very good. It is cinnamony. If you like cinnamony.
Well, and I'll
type
tell you
things.
this. I mean, this is a $300 bottle.
It's almost, since they do rum, it's almost like a spiced rum.
Maybe. Is that what it is? Is that what I've got?
Well,
rum in
no,
my
but
head?
it's just spicy.
Yeah.
You know, it's spicy, and maybe that's their palate. But it's
They retailed for $300, $299. I think this sold out in about 10 minutes. I don't think you can even get a bottle of it still.
I doubt it.
Yeah, I think there was 500-ish bottles, and it sold out pretty quick. I can see why. It's very good.
Yeah,
Very good.
yeah, and that's
Well
a
done.
good price point for 16-year-old juice.
Yeah, for sure.
real nice.
You're never going to hear us complain about 15, 16-year-old whiskey for $2.99.
No.
You ain't ever going to hear us complain about it.
No,
we
no.
fit right into that category.
Yeah.
For sure.
But it's it's good. I mean, if you're just getting into bourbon, like these are good days
Yeah.
right now. They just are.
They are,
Like,
for sure. That's a
there's
great
so much
point.
stuff that's coming on the market that's age stated, that's older. There's a lot of variety, and the secondary market's not going crazy like it used to.
Yeah, that's
so
a great
like,
point.
It's accessible, And I know this is 300, but 500 people got it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And I'm sure they're very happy that they
that's
have it.
That's 300 people that wouldn't have got it if Heaven Hill had put it out under their brand, or if
Right.
1792 puts out a 15-year,
Yeah.
or
That's
Buffalo
true.
Trace puts out Pappy 15. You ain't getting it.
Yeah, that's true.
So what other 15-year-old stuff are? And so
For
this
$2.99.
stuff's hitting the non-distilling producing world
Yeah.
from wherever it's coming from, and they're able to bottle it and put it in the hands of consumers. And
Love it. Absolutely.
I think it's exciting.
Turner, Jordan, good job.
And then we don't have to sell it for $500 a pour.
Right, absolutely.
I mean, to get our money back out of it. So it's accessible. So these are good days.
For sure.
Awesome.
Well, cool.
Well done.
Yeah,
I
very well
think
done.
it's fitting of the brand. I think it deserves to be, some good juice inside the bottle, and they've done that.
They have.
So,
They have.
well done. So that's our review. So we'll see you next time.
See ya. Hey guys, I'm Tommy. This is Josh. We're the owners of Watch Hill Proper. We are the largest American whiskey bar in the world. We're located in Louisville, Kentucky. We'd love for you guys to come out and visit us. We offer, elevated cuisine, great cocktail list, and the wall is what people show up to see.
Definitely can satisfy your palate from standpoint of whiskeys, different bourbons, different flights. You can make your own, but we have wines, cocktails. Michael Crouch is our chef.
I was gonna say,
Amazing food. So we'd love to have you come out and visit. Join us for dinner, join us for a tasting. Check us out on the website, watchhillproper.com. You can make reservations. You can see our events that we have on the calendar, and we'd love to have you.